3 people to get me their assessments in, but yeah, I had too busy of a weekend to get them graded. I should hopefully have them graded no later than Wednesday and have the grades put in there. Let me share my screen with us. So I have put a new lesson into Google Classroom. It's called How Do We Smell? Now, I am not talking about our body odors. It's not my shower month yet, so I might smell a little ripe. I usually take every other month, save some water. That's just a joke. Um, I did shower this morning. I shower every morning. But we're actually talking about the nose. So if we look at this lesson, first, there's a little something here. It's just called Lesson 12 handout. And if we look at this, it basically gives us a model on how chemicals are rearranged. So if we look here, this is citric acid. This is baking soda, and this is water. And you just look at the different ways that these models can be arranged. And what I'd asked you was to look at, on the assessment, where does the carbon dioxide come from? So what we see when we look at these is this one right here, Model A, basically shows us 3 molecules of citric acid, 3 molecules of baking soda, and 3 molecules of water. And when it's done, it's just showing you the output of 1 molecule. And you know something? I've even forgot what the name of this molecule is. I'll have to come back and find out the name of this. But it would be, I'll come back and find out the name of this molecule in just a minute. But if we look at molecule B, we can see it only takes 1 molecule of citric acid, 3 molecules of baking soda, and the 3 molecules of water, and I'm producing 3 molecules of carbon dioxide. But if we look at each individual molecule of the citric acid, baking soda, and water, we can see that they have completely changed. They've been rearranged. And if you were to sit here and count all the molecules, are they even? Do I have the same amount of molecules on both sides of here? And if not, we still have something that's missing in here. But if I look here and I count my carbons, I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I count over here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have the right amount of carbons. And I count my oxygens 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And I count 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I'm missing a molecule of oxygen somewhere. And then I count my hydrogens. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And I only have 5 here. So I am actually missing 12 oxygens, 12 hydrogens. And what did I say? How many oxygens? 1 oxygen? Yep. So I'm missing something on this lab here. Oh, how about I move over a little bit? Oh my goodness. It might help if I move the screen over so I can see everything. I feel pretty stupid right there. Um, let me recount these in because I got what? Okay, I'm sorry. So what I want you to do on this one is I want you to go through both Model A and Model B, and I want you to count the atoms up, and I want you to tell me which is the correct model for the production of carbon dioxide. So you're going to have to individually count each atom on the left side and the right side of the yield sign. That's what this arrow is called. This is called the yield sign. So in a chemical reaction formula, this is called my reactants on the left, yield my products on the right. So go through, count them up on A and count them up on B, and tell me in chat which is the correct model. You have access to this diagram in the Google Classroom. And Samuel told me it is sodium citric. Awesome. Thank you. And what's going on here about corona? Oh, okay. So thank you very much for letting me know that, Samuel. Now, Samuel, you're saying one. Are you talking A or one? Because they're listed A and uh, B. Oh, okay. Oh, on how many hydrogens I was missing before I moved the page over and saw everything was there. It's a Monday morning. I'm feeling dumb. Okay, so Niche has B. So Niche, everything needs to be equal. Finish counting before you give me your guess. You already said B, though. Interesting. We got a problem here. Oh, look at something. Okay, it looks like the majority of us are saying B. Nobody is saying A. So Vedant, you have a guess? How about you, Lauren? Bless you. Okay. Lily, Reese. I want everybody to commit to something. All right. So it is B, but somewhere we have a little bit of a problem. I have an unequal number of oxygen atoms. And that shouldn't be. My oxygen atoms should be even. Everything else is even. My hydrogens, my carbons, but my oxygen atoms, I am off by 1. Is that pretty much what everybody else got? Sanish, you say there are 19 oxygens on both sides? Or hydrogens? Sanish? All right, so am I counting wrong? I have, okay, no, I didn't move my screen over enough. I think I lost one of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. There's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Oh, wait, I'm talking oxygens. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, yeah. How do I keep? Anyways, B is the correct answer. So sorry about that. I was counting my oxygens wrong somehow, but it is B. So remember, when you look at a model, you must have the same amount of atoms on either side of the yield mark. Anyhow, okay. I feel confused now that I counted those wrong so many times. All right. I need a couple more days on my break. What I want you to do is there is a handout on how do we detect odors. I want you to read this handout. And then, and this is what's going to be really difficult, I want you to go around your house and I want to see if you can find the following things: vinegar, mentholatum, if you have a menthol cough drop, or Vicks Vapor Rub, something like that. Vanilla, any kind, preferably lavender, let's say lavender essential oils. Um, but if not lavender, any kind of floral scent you might have around your house. And the last one was, hold on a second here. It's called mentholatum. Uh, it a lot of cough drops, unless you get the flavored cough drops, there's something called mentholatum, methanol. It is a strong odor that will usually help people with clearing up their sinuses. There is a product out on the market called Vicks Vapor Rub. And Vicks Vapor Rub is something, if you're sick, let's say you're really congested, you rub it on your chest and it helps clear up your sinuses. Um, yeah, not a lot of people will have that though. And then lemon, like lemon or lemon juice or something like that, some kind of citric product. So, what I want you to do is any of those smells you can find, again, vinegar, mentholatum or menthol, vanilla, something floral, preferably lavender, and any kind of lemon juice, lemon flavoring, a lemon. But if you can't do that, I want you to at least use a citric product. Smell something that smells citrusy. And I want you to write. I've shared my screen with you, right? You can see what I have up on my screen. Okay. Write over in the left hand column what it is that you see or what it is you're smelling. And then you're going to do the wafting method when you smell something. You basically put it up to you and you smell it like this. Don't put your nose right to it. None of these things will really hurt you, but you're supposed to wafe it. Tell me, what does it smell like to you? And what does it remind you of? So, I mean, obviously, if you smell a lemon, you can tell me, oh, it smells like a lemon. Well, of course, it smells like a lemon. But tell me what else it kind of reminds you of. If there's anything else it smells like besides lemon. And then there is a chart here that has vinegar, and it shows you the molecular model of vinegar, limonene, which is the citrus odor from lemon. You see the lemon molecule, vanilla or vanillin, the molecule for vanillin, menthol, here's the molecule for menthol. And then both of these together are the molecules that are in lavender. These are two separate molecules that are all part of the mixture that's lavender. Write down what you notice about the molecules. You've kind of already done something like this already. This is something this is where I kind of really wish you guys were here because I'll have all these in a test tube. But you're not here, so we have to make the best we could do with things you have around your house. I don't want you to go out and buy anything, but see, rummage through your kitchen, ask your parents if they have anything like methanol or methanol in the medicine cabinet, or if you know where your cough drops are, look to see if your cough drops have methanol in them. A lot of cough drops do because it helps break up that stuff in your throat. Um, Here, Jay, I'm going to go ahead and write those. There we go. You forgot one, Alexa, and that was lemon. Lemon, vinegar, lavender, Wow, I can't spell. I'm having a day. I need to call today quits. If I misspell one more word, I'm going home. And then I misspell odor. What do you know about that? They won't let me go home though. Lemon, vinegar, lavender, methanol. And yeah, if you don't have any of these, um, just skip them. Yeah, I'm not going to hold it against you that you don't have them. One, two, three, four. Yes. Yes. Oh yeah, yeah, definitely. Definitely. I am not going to hold it against you that you don't have these ingredients at your house. It's two different ways to look at this is one, um, I can't make you go out and buy something. And two, um, unless I pay for it, I can't expect you to have it. I can't, yeah. Anyways. Yes, sir. Yes. Well, you're actually going to do this as soon as I close out the lab or close out the meat. And I went ahead and posted all five of those again. But before you go and try to look for any of these things, read the article. The document is editable. I made one for each one of you. Basically, it's going to be due by tomorrow. So I want it done by class on Wednesday. But I put the due date as um, tomorrow. Use the name that you use for it, the common name. There is no such thing as extra credit, but if you'd like to, that'd be good. Well, Jay, you should turn it in by as soon as it's done. Don't wait, but just get it as soon as you're done. Have it turned in. Turned in by tomorrow, Jesna, and that's basically the end of day tomorrow. So my big thing is I just like the test that a couple of you are missing. I just don't want um, you to turn them in after class or after the start of class. And actually, I'm going to go ahead and send a note. I'm going to stop recording real quick.